friends, welcome to Selines Recipes. Today I am very happy and excited to inform you that we have crossed 300k subscribers, and thank you so much for your love and support. In this special moment or in this occasion, I am here to announce you a giveaway. So in this challenge there are 3 conditions. The first condition is you should subscribe to Selines Recipes and click on the bell icon. The second condition is, in one of my video I played piano. So you have to find that video and like, share and comment on that video. And you should comment hashtag #ILOVESELINESRECIPES so that I can identify the participation. The third condition, it's not a condition, it's a request. You should share my channel to your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And also, if you are an Instagram user, please follow me, Selines Recipes. So these are all the conditions. I hope it's clear for you. If you need more information, please find the details in the description box below. So the challenge starts from today. Your time starts now. And also, the challenge will end on 31st December midnight, and I will select 5 winners in this challenge, and the winners will be announced on 1st of January 2021 with a good start of the year. Okay guys, good luck. See you the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.